Mastering the Art of Elimination, SAT Strategy. Hello there, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most effective SAT test strategies, the elimination technique. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently eliminating incorrect choices and making smarter guesses, even when you're unsure about the answer. Understanding why we're using a strategy often makes it easier to remember and apply. When you're faced with multiple choice questions, especially on the SAT, you don't just have to find the right answer. Sometimes, it's about identifying what's wrong with the other options. 1. Time saving. Instead of puzzling over choices that seem correct, eliminating the obviously wrong ones often leads to the right answer quicker. 2. Increase odds. By eliminating just 2 wrong answers out of 5, you've already increased your odds of guessing right from 20% to 33.3%. To master the elimination technique, you need to recognize common traits of incorrect choices. 1. Extreme language. Choices with absolutes like always, never, every, or none can often be suspicious. 2. Irrelevant information. If an option introduces a point that wasn't discussed in the passage, it's likely incorrect. 3. Contradictory information. This is when a choice says the opposite of what the passage or question states. 4. Too general or too specific. Some options may seem correct because they're vaguely related to the topic but don't directly address the question. Let's put the theory to practice. Here are some sample SAT questions. Try using the elimination method on them. 1. The main theme of the passage can best be described as 2. A. Discussing every historical event from 1990 to 2000. 3. B. The rise of digital technology in the late 20th century. 4. C. An argument against modern technology. 5. D. A list of famous personalities from the digital age. Tip: look for options that may be too broad, too specific, or not relevant to the passage's main theme. 6. The author's tone towards the digital revolution is 7. A. Entirely negative. 8. B. Mostly positive with some reservations. 9. C. Neutral. 10. D. Focused on the financial impact only. Tip: remember the warning about extreme language. Does the passage truly convey an entirely negative sentiment? Remember, the goal isn't necessarily to get to the right answer immediately, but to eliminate the wrong ones first, which then makes finding the right answer easier. And that wraps up our session on the elimination technique for the SAT. With practice, this strategy can be one of your biggest allies during the test. Always remember, sometimes it's not about spotting the right answer, but spotting the wrong ones. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master this technique. Happy studying, and see you next time.